triangles and Pythagorean theorem. What is the right triangle? Right triangles. A right angle has a value of 90 degrees. A right triangle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. The relation between the sides and angles of a right triangle is the basis for trigonometry. The side opposite right angle is called the hypotenuse, side C in the figure. The sides adjacent to the right angle are called legs, side A and B. Side A may be identified as the side adjacent to angle B and opposite angle A. Side B is the side adjacent angle A and opposite to angle B. Side C is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always longest side of a right triangle. Side A and side B, the legs are the side of the right angle. Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem, also known as Pythagoras theorem, is a fundamental relation between the two sides of a right triangle. Given a right triangle, which is a triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degrees, the Pythagorean theorem states that the area of the square formed by the longest side of the right triangle, the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the area of the square formed by the other two sides of the right triangle. Application of Pythagoras theorem. The first, to know if the triangle is a right angle triangle or not. The second, in a right angle triangle, we can calculate the length of any side if the other two sides are given. And the third, to find the diagonal of square. Pythagoras theorem formula. Consider the triangle given above, where A is the perpendicular side, B is the base, C is the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side square equals perpendicular square plus base square. The side opposite to the right angle 90 degrees is the longest side because the side opposite to the greatest angle is the longest. Consider three squares of side A, B, C mounted on the three sides of a triangle having the same side as shown. Area of square A plus area of square B equals area of square C. Example for finding the length of the hypotenuse. You can ask the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle. If you know the length of the triangle, other two sides, called the legs, put another way, if you know the length of AB, you can find C. In the triangle above, you are given measures for legs A and B, 3 and 4, respectively. You can ask the Pythagorean theorem to find a value for the length of C, the hypotenuse. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Substitute now values for A and B. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 9 plus 16 equals C squared. 25 equals C squared. Simplify. To find the value of C, think about a number that, when multiplied by itself, equals 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Converse of Pythagorean theorem. If c squared less than a squared plus b squared, then ABC is an acute triangle. If c squared equals a squared plus b squared, then ABC is right triangle. If c squared greater than a squared plus b squared, then ABC is an obtuse triangle. Example for acute triangle. Given A equals 4, B equals 5, and C equals 6. Describe the triangle. Start with A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Substitute now values for A and B. 4 squared plus 5 squared equals 6 squared. 16 for 25 equals 36. 41 equals 36. 41 greater than 36, so we have an acute triangle. Example for obtuse triangle. Given A equals 4, B equals 6, and C equals 8. Describe the triangle. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Substitute now values for A and B. 4 squared plus 6 squared equals 8 squared. 16 for 36 equals 64. 52 equals 64. 52 less than 64, so we have an obtuse triangle. Thank you for watching. This video time is end, and I hope you understand about it. See you and good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.